Hiya, welcome back. I'm Jeremy at Ideal Gardens, and today we're going to be pruning back this Crocosmia. Now it's all finished flowering, looking a bit dead and drabby, so we're going to cut it all back down to the ground and then just completely just make it a bit more interesting, really. And then we'll trim the grass. Okay, let's get on and prune back. So what you want to do, I've got myself my Falco secateurs, pairs of secateurs these, and we're just going to go in and right down to the ground like this. Get all this done. Don't be afraid to just get in there and clear it, cut it all down to the ground, and then what we'll do later on is get the trimmer out. Yeah, so all that dead growth from this year can be removed. Yeah, it's a nice autumn day today, 25th of September. Still quite warm. I keep chipping away. Get it all cleared. Look a bit better already. So that's one lot done. We'll do this bit here and get this cut down. Getting there. No time at all. What I'll do later on is get the trimmer and trim all this down to make it all a bit more flat. Take some of the grass out too. There, so all that is all cut down, and then we'll finish tidying up a bit later on. So Crocosmia, like I said, and herbaceous. We'll clear that away. I'll put it to one side. Out of the way of the camera. yeah, just never be afraid to cut things back. As I said, I've got a good pair of Falcos. These are Falco 8s that I use. They're nice and sharp. And yeah, when it comes to gardening, you don't really need to be careful about it. You can just go in and cut stuff back, and this will shoot again next year. We may even split this up and put some over there. So this is a long grass area, but it's recently been trimmed down. We are going to put some wildflowers in here, maybe some bulbs in autumn in the next couple of months. As I say, what I'll do is I'll get the strimmer out on this and give it a final tidy up and going over this afternoon. Yeah, nearly lunchtime, so I'm quite hungry. Anyway, so what I want to do is just make horticultural videos so people can learn along and try techniques out in their own garden. And then, yeah, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment about different things you want to see in my videos I create. We also got a podcast which is called the Ideal Gardens Podcast. Search that on Instagram, iTunes, Apple, Spotify, anywhere you get your podcast from. Okay, anyway, leave it to it, and I shall see you all soon. Bye for now.